Hello friends, I am going to explain the trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. First one is sine theta, that is sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. How to remember this all formulas easily is see opposite by hypotenuse. First take opposite and hypotenuse for sine, and next cos theta take adjacent by hypotenuse. First you take this both, after that adjacent by hypotenuse, next opposite by adjacent, like this. First these both and after these both and these both. Sine formula opposite by hypotenuse, cos formula adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan formula opposite by adjacent. And this all the sine, cos, tan, reverse is cot, sec and cosec. See, sine reverse, that is cosec. Opposite by hypotenuse, that is hypotenuse by opposite. These all formulas are easy to remember. Next, observations. Reciprocals. Reciprocals of this all. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, that is sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Or we can write this formula also. Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Next, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, that is sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We can write this formula as cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Reciprocal of tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta we can write as cos theta and sin theta. These all formulas we use in sums. So remember this all formulas. Next, trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How this formula came, that I have proved here. See, sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the sin square theta formula? Sin theta formula is opposite by hypotenuse. That is opposite by hypotenuse, square is there, so whole square. Plus cos theta formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Square is there, so whole square. So opposite plus adjacent, opposite square plus adjacent square by hypotenuse square in the denominator. So it will be one. It will be only one hypotenuse square. So opposite square plus adjacent square is next from Pythagoras theorem. Opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. How I have said hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Thus this Pythagoras formula. So opposite square plus adjacent square is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square by hypotenuse square cancel. So 1. So we have proved this formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Hence it's proved. And next we can write this formula as sin square theta is equal to 1 by cos square theta. Cos square theta sin theta is equal to root 1 minus cos square theta. Why root came? Because sin is in the square. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta. Cos theta is equal to root 1 minus sin square theta. Why it came root? Because cos theta is in square. Next, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. How to prove this? Let's see. Sec square theta formula is sec theta formula is hypotenuse by adjacent. This is square. Let's take square. And after that minus as it is, and tan theta formula is opposite by adjacent. Then take square, whole square. Hypotenuse square minus opposite square by adjacent square. Denominator is same, so let's take one adjacent square. Hypotenuse square minus opposite square is adjacent square, because hypotenuse square, this adjacent is sended to the left side. Then hypotenuse square minus opposite square is sended to the left side, that is hypotenuse square minus opposite square, that is adjacent. That's why I have taken adjacent square. Adjacent square by adjacent square is equal to 1, that is LHS is equal to RHS. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 is proved. Next, this formula can be written as sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, because this minus tan square theta is sended to the right hand side. And now sec theta, this square would be root 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to this square would be root. So sec square theta minus 1. Now next formula is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Let's prove this sum. That is LHS is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. What is the formula of cosec square theta? That is hypotenuse by opposite. and square is their square, minus cot theta formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. We have seen in the previous video, adjacent by opposite whole square. Previous video, not previous minutes before, few minutes before. Hypotenuse square minus adjacent square upon opposite, in denominator opposite is there, so you will take opposite square. The hypotenuse square minus adjacent square is opposite square, because this Pythagoras formula is there. Hypotenuse square, this adjacent gone to the left hand side, then remaining is opposite square. That's why opposite square by opposite square is equal to 1. This formula is proved. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1.